In this Argos support video, we will show you how to set up your Bush ceramic tower heater. It is important to note, this tower heater is only suitable for use in well-insulated spaces and, as with most fan heaters, not recommended for prolonged use. Firstly, position the heater on a dry and level surface where it is not going to be knocked or tripped over. Next, connect the tower heater to the main supply. Insert fresh new batteries into the remote control that comes with the tower heater, making sure the positive and negative ends are inserted correctly. To turn the heater on, press the On button on the remote control or on the control panel of the heater. If the heater does not come on, check that the manual on-off switch located on the side of the unit is set to the On position. The heater will then display high with a dark red indicator. This shows the heater is now on and in high heat mode. To change the mode of the tower heater, press the mode button on either the remote control or the control panel to scroll through the available mode settings. In low heat mode, this tower heater will display a light red indicator light and low on the screen. Press mode again for eco mode. This will display a green indicator light and eco on the screen. Press a third time for fan mode. This will display a yellow indicator light. In fan mode, the display will remain blank. Press again to return to high heat mode. This will display a dark red indicator light and high on the screen. Please note, when eco mode is turned on and the temperature is close to 30 degrees, the tower heater will stop heating and enter standby mode. When the room temperature is lower than the set temperature value, the heater will restart automatically. To control the oscillating function of the tower heater, press the left-right oscillating button on either the remote control or the control panel. To move the heater left and right, press this button again to stop this function. You can also press the vertical oscillating button to tilt the tower heater up and down, varying the angle of the heat output. Do not adjust the angle of the heater by hand. Use the timer function on the tower heater to set the operation time of the heater. This can be set ranging from 1 hour to 24 hours. To set the timer, press the time button. The display will then flash 00. Press the plus or minus buttons to select the desired number of hours you would like the tower heater to operate for. The timer will begin counting down immediately and switch off at the selected time. To cancel the timer, press the timer button again to see the timer set. Then use the plus or minus buttons until the display shows 00. Setting the temperature of the tower heater can be done by pressing the plus or minus buttons in heat mode or eco mode. The selected temperature will flash 3 times on the display to confirm. When turning off the heater in heat mode or eco mode, the fan will continue to run for 15 seconds to allow the heating element to cool down before shutting off. This will be shown by a countdown on the display. An important safety feature of your tower heater is the tip-over switch. If the tower heater is accidentally knocked over, the heater will automatically shut off. To restart the heater, turn it off at the plug and unplug the heater. Once situated back onto a level and dry surface, reconnect back to the power supply and switch back on. The tower heater will also cut out and stop if the inner temperature of the heater is abnormally high, such as when the heater is covered during use. Ensure nothing is covering or obstructing the vents on the heater. Allow the heater time to cool down before restarting. To restart the heater, turn it off at the plug and unplug the heater. Once situated back onto a level and dry surface, reconnect back to the power supply and switch back on. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.